All right, today I want to introduce a new start fresh system. The vehicle that we have here is our 17 Ranger XP1000. This start fresh system we're going to talk about today fits 2017 XP1000 3-seat and crew. The tricky part is in 18 because Polaris split it up. An 18 crew is considered old body style and an 18 3-seater is new body style. This 3-seater new body style is not applicable. So basically a year and a half of models that this applies to. So we have not had a complete replacement clutch other than deer clutch that we sell until now. We have another video talking about this heavy duty secondary. I would go watch it to get a little bit more information on it, but it's a replacement TAS 03 or EBS style secondary clutch, and we pair it with the Hunterworks primary clutch. Now inside our primary clutch is going to be stock Ranger 1000 weights and a stock primary spring. We're not believers in clutch kits for Rangers as a general rule. The customer we're after is somebody who has a stock or near stock and uses their Ranger as a Ranger. So you big tire guys, you're flying around like razors, not necessarily applicable, or you have to work with you on it. So it is a new Hunterworks primary. It is a new heavy duty secondary. The belt of choice, not required. It does not come with it. The belt of choice is the Hunterworks standard belt. It is much thicker than the original OE belt. The OE part number ends in 96. It's one of the thinnest belts they ever made. We've been using our 92G on stock clutches for a long time, but once you move to this better upgraded secondary that's very quiet, you can go to a thicker belt, grabs better. Got a little video here where we were just pulling in during some testing phase and looking at exactly how slow you could drive in low with it fully engaged, and we were, as you can see, going 0 miles an hour at roughly 1800 RPM. Engagement wise, that's where our engagement is, even in high. Low, we'll say 17, 18, and in high, we're at 18, 1900 RPM. Shift phase for this is extremely close to stock at 6100 RPM. When we were just cruising, Hunter and I was cruising during testing, about 30, 35 mile an hour, seemed like we were in the mid 4000s. You can carry on a conversation, doesn't drive you crazy. It's just a really good, complete clutch system, ready to bolt on in this particular setup. This is almost the same clutches as we've been using in our razors, just a different configuration far as helix springs, weights, etc. So proven design, just took us a long time to get it, but now that we have the availability of the parts, there's no reason not to put this kit together for you guys that have this limited year models. If you got any questions on this, Todd at Hunterworks.com. We very much appreciate you.